Vance's Dirty Maintenance Show.
A sweet power slide.
We got a dishwasher not draining here. I have this full. Let's see what's going on here. Sometimes the disposal it's connected to the disposal, and when the disposal's clogged up, it back feeds back down into the dishwasher. It's definitely clogged up with something. That's in the disposal. Looks like it's draining, it's just draining slow. God, what is all this crap? It's like a bag. You can't put that in a disposal. Disposals are job security though. Hallelujah for them. Seems to me like something's in this wastebasket here. I'm gonna pop this off and check it out. Oh, piece of lettuce maybe. I don't know. Maybe there's a bag or something in there. It's definitely draining. It's just draining slow. Like it was blocked with something. Take that out. It's just two screws. One there, one there. Let's see what's in here. Nothing in there. That's all clear. It's definitely something blocking the drain hose though. Well, what is that? I think we're getting closer to something, Skid. I'm gonna have to pull this hose off the disposal here. The dishwasher and the disposal are connected. And this is where this comes out of the dishwasher and into disposal and out to waste. Just undo this. Got a towel down for the water. Something's blocking it. It's draining, but it's not coming out like it should. That looks clear. Well, I guess we're gonna have to go underneath. See if I can suck it out with a shop vac first. Man, nothing, Skid. Oh boy. Guess we're gonna have to take the panel off and go underneath. The drain hose has to be clogged because when I was sucking it out, none of this was going into the shop vac. And also went to blow it out and nothing. So it's got to be clogged. I'm going to take the bottom plate off and undo the hose under here. I'm going to have to suck all this water out first because it's going to get messy. Alright, I got the bottom panel off. I'm just gonna undo the drain hose right there. Of course, it's facing down. The guy who installed it was not thinking about the other guy, was he? Always be thinking about that next guy that's gonna come up behind you. There's your dirty maintenance tip. So I'll probably have to cut away here and see if I can get this up. But that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, now that I got the nut facing up where I can work with it, because some booty installed it facing down. Now how am I gonna get, how's the next guy gonna get to it facing down? Always be thinking about the next guy. That's my best tip I can give you new guys. Alright. There's gonna be some water coming out. There's really no clean way of doing this. Just get in there and pull it. See what's going on. Put a rag underneath, stop a little bit of the mayhem. Man, everything looks clear, man. I don't know, maybe it's the pump. I didn't see anything come out. I hate to have to pull this thing. I cleaned out the disposal. It works. That's all I pulled out of it. Piece of plastic. Looks like pumpkin seeds and all kind of trash. I sucked the hose out. I checked the pump underneath. Everything looks good. If I can't get it going, I'm gonna have to pull the dishwasher and dig deeper. Very rare that this ever happens. Suck this out, the hose, and everything's clear. So, got something definitely weird going on. It's draining, but it's draining real slow like it was clogged, so I thought it had a clog in it, but it's not. Let's see if I can get it to make a racket. Every time I turn the camera on, it doesn't do anything. Something's in there. Dang it. There it goes. Whatever that is what's causing the problem. Oh, I'm gonna have to pull it, Skid. Ugh. One last trick up my sleeve before I pulled it. I think I found the problem. There's my problem. Pumpkin seeds. I think that was it. They were clogged up. They were clogging the way there inside the pump. I pulled this little ball out too. This ball goes in that little tube that I was sucking out. So if you see a ball in your GE dishwasher, you leave it in there because it needs it to drain. Don't think it's a kid toy or anything clogging it up. It has to be there. I'll show you when I put it back together. Alright, this orange ball goes into this tube right here. The little yellow tube sticking up. just throw it down in there. That's it. It won't drain without that ball. I think I had a viewer ask me about that, so that's what I was talking about, the orange ball. Alright, let's put it back together, Skid. I think it was it. I think it was the pumpkin seeds. It's gotta be. Please don't make me pull it. It's always easier to come from behind the element here. You gotta push that down into the hole. Just like that. You can just screw these back in. One screw there, one screw on the other side, and fire it up. Alright, it's full and running. I'm about to flip it over to drain and see what happens. Come on, big money, no whammy. Oh yeah, that's what I want to see. Make sure there's no leaks on the things that I took off. That looks good. That looks good. No drippies. Oh, hallelujah. I mean, what were they expecting to happen with all this in the garbage disposal in the dishwasher? I'll have to leave my note. Alright, right on. I hope this helped out some of you guys. I've gotten a comment about doing more HVAC, air conditioning stuff, and you know, if it's anything more than a float switch or a dirty filter, I'll film it and put it out, but there really hasn't been anything. It's in the mid 60s, so that's freezing cold here in Florida. Alright, the old garbage disposal. Full dishwasher pump, full. Garbage disposal is a maintenance man's job security, especially that reset button. Thank you all for watching The Dirty Maintenance Show.
That's just the way it's got to be. Well, the concrete truck